support this idea or theory. Now, we had major corrections in the S&P 500 that go for a couple, financial crisis that took place, 2008. This one is actually the dot-com bubble over here. .com there. So this is what we're looking like for the S&P 500. 25% correction would be the next major support. There's a 15% correction labeled down there in the middle there, which doesn't really show any like real strong support, but we have it labeled there. So, but if we continue lower, we're definitely going to see at least a 25% correction. That's what I think. At least 25%. And that's where the next major support is. Because, I mean, history, 50%, 15% could be likely. 15% could be likely. 15% here. This could be likely. 25 for a strong support, but 15 could be likely as well. So it's going to be some really interesting times as the volatility increases, the landslide increases. That will just create more momentum for the S&P 500 to continue to roll in price, and that's for both the Dow and the S&P. So